be looking at how we can actually make a copy of a file in Google Drive. Very important. In Google Drive, I'm going to make a copy, we're going to email it. Alright, you might not know how to do that, but I'm going to guide you through that particular way. First thing you want to do, come right here where you see this internet browser, your Google Chrome, and right click, or you can come all the way here. So notice I have it open here already, so I'm going to open like that, right? Mean that I have to sign in, so I'm going to come right here, this click that here, 9 dot here, I'm going to click on the 9 dot. Right, when I click on the 9 dot, you're going to look for the drive. This is self with the drive. Right, I'm going to click on the drive. So if you're already signed in, you take you directly to the drive. Right, and if you notice, I'm already signed in, so it actually takes me directly in the drive. So now I'm actually in the drive. So what I'm going to be doing now is how to make a copy of a file. Right, and it's very important. So we're going to search for the file. So for instance, this is the file. Right, that it somebody send it to you and they say tell you to make a copy. Don't send it just like that. Just make a copy of it. So the first thing you want to do is to put the cursor upon it. You right click and right click. They come along here. You notice it says make a copy. You're going to click. Right. If you notice right here, it's actually say creating a copy. Alright. But if you notice you haven't seen it, so what you have to do is to come over here to your left. There is a recent. You click on the word recent. Alright. When I click the word recent, if you notice right here, it shows says a copy of. Yes, that's exactly true. It's a copy of. Right. So in order for you to email that, what you can do right here, you just put the cursor upon it again. You right click. Notice right here says share. You're going to click on the word share. Right, and I click on the word share, it will bring up this particular window showing that it actually loading. If you notice it, look around that here right here, sure that it actually loading so far. Right. So as soon as that finish load, this area will come a little bigger. Right, and it's very important here. Right, here you go now. It says share with people and group. Right here, show that you can add people and group right here. Notice this is the person actually sending the email. Right here, said done. And if you notice here, you actually can get the link or copy the link. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click right inside here. Alright, and you notice it bring up some set of email. So this is the person that I want to email to. I'm going to click on it. So while I click on it, you notice right out here, so when I click where it says edit, to show that the person can edit, right, and commenter, right, and this is viewer. So if I click on viewer, the person can only view it. If I click on edit, the person can actually edit. Right, so very important also. You can actually write something down here, and I finish, you can just click off send. And that's exactly how it actually done. Right? And if you want to come back outside here, you want to click right here. Notice this picture, you might not see your picture here, but you might see if your name is M Marlan, you see M. If your name is Sandra, you see red S in there. So I'm going to click here. Right? I notice when I click right here, what you will see definitely here is a sign out. So I'm going to click on the word sign out, and when I click on the word sign out, then you see exactly what takes place here.